I saw a candy bar trapped in the glass. Pressed B7 but it wouldn't let it pass. The chips laughed back, they were stacked so tight in this neon cage. Stuck all night, lost in the vending machine.